going on, guys? So taking my car to a shop right now. Just been dealing with a bunch of electrical failures. I'm thinking it's gonna be a whole new wiring harness, but at that point it's like, do I keep the car, do I sell the car, blah blah blah. I don't know. So based on what they say, we're gonna have some decisions to make, but this is what we're dealing with. All right, it started with the AC. We replaced the blower motor and the resistor like 2 or 3 times, dude, and that didn't solve the problem. So obviously there's something deeply electrical going on there. And then my headlights started randomly flashing. They would go dim sometimes, and I noticed that it started happening when like I wasn't on the power, kind of, you know what I'm saying, as if the alternator wasn't charging whatever it was needed. Yeah, the battery, I guess, as if the alternator wasn't charging the battery, and the lights didn't have enough power to, you know, produce max potential lights. So we've been chasing that for a while. What's really throwing me off here is that I guess you can't really see it right now. Usually everything on here lights up, right, when it's nighttime. These didn't light up. Look at my dash. My passenger airbag is malfunctioning, right? Yeah, hazards. No hazards. Traction. No traction control. So I'm kind of just confused. I checked the fuses here. First of all, there aren't any fuses for just this cluster right here. And so yeah, that just leads me to believe electrical failure, dude, which really sucks for this car because I really like this car. It's super nice, it's super fun, but honestly I just don't know what to do. I really don't know what to do. So we're gonna take it to the shop. My friend's driving behind me in his Acura. Nice little thing. They're surprisingly nice, those Acuras. And yeah, I guess we're gonna find out. I'll take you guys along for the drive. It's just disappointing, man. Disappointing when shit you can't fix breaks. And beyond that, even. But it still drives nice. That's the one good thing about this. It drives like a beast. Cannot hate on this shit. You know, as a car, it does well. It can get you from point A to point B, and quickly at that. But if you want the amenities, man, you have to go somewhere else. No AC, nothing, bro. Hey, we got powered windows. Powered windows. Even my speakers are kind of going now. That's why I don't have the music play right now. It just makes me sad. Fuck, we'll turn on some tunes. Fuck it. I do have some plans for the car as well. I have some plans for the car. I'm throwing in new spark plugs because I'm not gonna lie, this shit's been backfiring. Like, it sounds really good. It's not exactly a backfire. It's a backfire, to be honest, but by definition, it's a backfire. But at the proper times, you know, when I'm at the top of the red line, this and that, banging it off first. And that's all good. That's all well and good, but I didn't do that before. So you can see where there may be a problem. I'm either experiencing overfueling or and the sparks are going bad, which I also wouldn't be surprised. I need to do carbon cleaning. Here's what I'm focusing on doing right now. These next couple days after I get it back from the shop, I'm going to be doing carbon cleaning of the engine. I'm going to be doing headlight restore, spark plug replacement, and there was one other thing, but I forgot what it was. Oh, trim restore. I'm going to be restoring the trim. Show you a better place. Yeah, now that you got some light, you can see this leather is in rough shape. Leather is in rough shape for sure. So I'll be doing those things, and I'll be recording the videos. You'll see them posted, long form, no more shorts. I mean, more shorts, but not of those. And we got some good content coming for the next couple days. Honestly, some good content coming for the next 30 days. I was talking to my boy, Boss Martin. He's got the S4, right? He's been doing YouTube for much longer than me, much more consistent than I've been doing it. And I'm trying to hop on that, because you can make some okay money from YouTube. You really can. No one knows. I mean, I guess people know, but they just don't want to put in the effort. And I, low-key, one of those people. I mean, I'm a college student. I just moved to a new city. So I've got a lot of shit going on, but I'm telling you, this new city is perfect for content. There's this airport tunnel that's like 20 minutes away from me. I got some good videos from there. I swear, we pulled up, Boss Martin and I in the S4. We pulled up, we're going through the tunnel. Boom, a guy in front of us and a guy behind us. The guy in front of us launches a shit. It's a Q37, I think. Or G37. This shit's tuned, all-wheel drive. The thing is nice. The thing is so fast. He launches it from right in front of us, and then it's the S4, then me, and then an Acura TL right behind me. Acura TL's boo, 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 honking at us to move. Little did we know, it was that guy's friend. It was the G35's friend. He was behind us. He launches that shit too, swerves around me, and mind you, it's a one-way tunnel. One way that way, one way this way. He's going through the other lane, cutting in front of us, and then Miles launches it in the S4. Around the TL, bro. I'm just left in the back. I got the second slowest car there behind the TL, but oh my god, shit made me realize, like, I need some power, bro. Like, yeah, it sounds good, but I need some power, dude. So I'm thinking, I don't know what I'm thinking. I'm hoping these spark plugs get me back to usual, the carbon cleaning as well. It's not like it's gonna add power, but it'll restore power, you know what I'm saying? It'll restore power. And then I'm thinking, I was thinking about doing different gear ratios for the longest time, but I need some more power even for that. Like, I could turn this thing into a dig monster, rear wheel drive, but to be a dig monster, you need more power. So I'm thinking camming it. Shit's expensive though. Like I said, man, I'm a broke college student. Bro. How am I supposed to afford my apartment and my cat and the nice car? And okay, car. I'm just kidding. I love you, car. But you know, it's a lot of money here and there. So I gotta get employed. First of all, gotta go to school, get educated, and then get some money, put it towards the car. Those are the goals. But first, I just want everything to work in this car, bro. It's been like a year. It's been a year since my AC went out. I've been through hot, I've been through cold. I was delivering pizzas in this car during the summer. I had a little thermometer. I carried it with me everywhere so I could guilt trip the customers into, you know, like giving me tips and shit, right? So one time, it got up to 114 ambient degrees of temperature in my car. I had that bitch sitting under the seat, so of course it got super hot under there. But you know, I take that with me, put it in my pocket. And the customers could see it was right in my breast pocket. And oh my god, I swear, I made like an extra $40 in tip that day. That's not to be fucked with. But I'm gonna stop yapping. Let you guys come on for the drive. Definitely gotta swing left here. Definitely. I can fit through there. Fuck you, Prius. I'm trying to think of what that Ford is. I know what it is, but I don't know what it is. I know what it is, but I don't know what it is. They used to use them as police cars. Bro, I'm a fake Ford enthusiast. So I'm doing it in my Mustang. I can't even tell what that is. It's gonna pop into my head like 20 minutes later. After I'm on the way home in my friend's car. Oh, that's what it was. See if we can't get a breath of fresh air. Bro, please. Is this it? I'm not gonna lie, this don't seem like the place. This does not seem like the place at all, in fact, but we're gonna see.